But it would be nothing.
But she prefers Black Canary.
Nothing.
She's got a killer voice.
Woo! Who's having a good time? You are.
Lost in the wilderness.
Food is good. You need any more cocktails?
Lost in the bitterness.
Good health.
He's lost